So this one is on high, as you can see, and it is struggling to come out. I've done the cleaning on it. This is not the full high. If you can see, this one is on full high, and it is trucking along. That is my newer one that I just got. I got more because I needed more. This one's struggling. And now this one I'm putting back in. So I've just plugged it back in. I'm going to turn all the way up too. Give it a second. I can feel the air coming. But still nothing coming out of it. It's been on for 30 seconds now. Still nothing coming out of it. You can kind of hear its fan working. Gonna let it stay on for a minute and a half. So it's been on for about a minute. And still nothing is coming out again. It's on full high. And that's about a minute and 30, and still nothing is on it coming out. It's still on full high, and there's no presentation. And again, this one is one that I just got. Over here, I just got another one because a different brand had died, and I thought, and this one is just trucking along. And I just got this last week, and today is April 16th, 17th, 2023. So, and this one's going, you can see it's not even all the way up, and it is just like pouring.
I just bought this small humidifier for my nose issue. So this is very simple one and small enough for daily use, I believe. I don't want to keep the water for several days because I don't want mold to grow later time. So, and there's a button. I just add water. I cleaned it and I add water inside. You unscrew it and you add water, and then you close it, and this button will goes this section. This section is for nebulizer section, and you put it upside down. Okay, and I'm gonna plug in. I just plugged in. I'm in the kitchen area actually. See, you see the mist coming up? Let me see how much mist. I turn it off. Small mist. This is small mist. Okay, let me try to make it higher. Wow, this is a lot of mist. Wow. almost right away. That's good. So I'm gonna lower it. Wow. I don't even hear that much sound. Very quiet. And small size, 1.7 liter. Just you cannot use essential oils inside or salt. You just have to use water only. Thank you.
Here's a quick demonstration of the raydrop ultrasonic humidifier in action. You could barely hear a sound. So if you want to put it on your nightstand by your bed like I do, I guarantee it will not disturb your rest. It holds 1.7 liters. So with a full tank, it will last the whole night long at high volume. I rarely ever use that setting, and I usually opt for about the middle. As you can see, it gives off quite a nice fine mist. I'm very happy with this purchase, and I do recommend.
as you can see, this thing is tiny. I'm gonna throw a Roku remote to it just to show you the scale of this thing, but yeah, it is very small. It does put out a decent amount of vapor, but the problem ends up being that it needs refilled constantly. So I keep mine in the corner here, and you are able to just pop that out. That's how you refill it. And then once I put some more water on it, just pop it back on there, turn it on. I'd say overall, it does what I expect it to, but having to refill it daily is a bit annoying.
Steady stream. And this is on the lowest setting, the 4th or 5th dial.
It's a smaller, compared to my hand, it's a smaller little humidifier, but it works really well. So this is, let's see, here's the low setting. Turn all the way up to full blast. Looks really good. Came with this little guy to clean it off with. It's small, but it really works. Great for a one-room humidifier.
This is my raydrop humidifier. It's one of my better buys. It is very quiet. It's ultrasonic. It puts out a cool mist, so you don't have to worry about burning your hand. The top just pops off, and there's a little spout on the bottom. That's it. I recommend it.
Está muy hermoso. Pero yo pensé que era vaporizador, pero que tiraba el agua caliente, pero es un vaporizador que tira agua fría. Pero está muy hermoso. Es igual como sale en la foto ahí en Amazon. Está bonito, excelente.